Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mirror Frame Kit is probably one of the most transformative and budget-friendly DIY projects you can undertake to instantly upgrade your home decor. This video will take you through everything you need to know about choosing the right mirror frame kit, from understanding different materials and styles to mastering the installation process, ensuring a flawless and professional-looking finish that will leave your guests in awe. Number 5. Mirror Holder Clips Kit. This kit includes 22 mirror clips, screws, and anchors, everything you need for a secure installation. It's perfect for various projects around your home. They're made from high-quality, durable plastic and alloy for long-lasting use. The transparent design ensures a seamless look. Simply drill holes, attach the clips, and tighten the screws. Installation is quick and straightforward for a professional finish. These clips are ideal for mirrors, photos, paintings, and more. Use them in any room to securely hang your cherished items. The transparent design means they're practically invisible, preserving the aesthetic appeal of your framed items. Enjoy a clean, uncluttered look. Before ordering, please ensure the clips are compatible with your mirror's thickness. The clips are approximately 21 mm in length and suitable for glass around 3/16 inches thick. What we like? This kit provides all the necessary components for a complete mirror installation. It's made from durable, long-lasting materials, ensuring a secure and reliable hold. If you need a comprehensive and dependable solution for hanging mirrors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I have some paintings done on thin wood panels. A few are weird sizes and I didn't want to pay a ton of dollar to get a custom frame, so I thought I'd give these a try. Thankfully, they worked perfectly. I have experience hanging things, so I found them easy to use. Hold mirrors on walls very good. I bought a new mirror and I needed some holders to hang it. These worked great. Number 4. NeatiEase Flexible Trim. This innovative trim offers a simple solution for upgrading your home decor. It's easy to apply and leaves no sticky residue behind. Just measure, cut, peel, and stick. It adheres to most smooth surfaces, making it perfect for various DIY projects. Use it in bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, wherever you need a stylish and functional accent. It's great for mirrors, cabinets, and more. Made from durable, high-quality PVC, it's thicker and denser than other trims on the market. It's built to last. Its flexibility allows it to conform to various shapes and curves. You can easily create custom designs. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day free return and replacement policy, plus a 12-month warranty. What we like? This flexible trim is incredibly easy to apply, simply peel and stick. It's suitable for a wide range of surfaces and applications, adding a decorative touch to any space. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to upgrade your home decor, this is it. What people say. I love the way this stuck to the wood. I put it around my mirror and it looks great. Bought an LED mirror, but one of the corners had a small chip. Bought this and put it as a border around the mirror, and now you can't tell a difference. It truly looks like the mirror was bought like this. Easy to cut, easy to apply. Took about 10 minutes because I mitered the corners to make it look a little better. Bought this item to frame in a recessed area is the foyer hallway. Put my favorite artwork up, framed the outside of the recess, and the transformation of the area was amazing. Number 3. Adjustable Hanging Wire Kit. This kit makes hanging heavy items a breeze. It's perfect for mirrors, pictures, or even light fixtures. Use it in your home, office, or even outdoors. It's versatile enough for a variety of hanging needs. No tools are needed. Simply adjust the length to your preference and hang your item securely. With its 2-meter length, it's easily adjustable to fit your specific requirements. You can cut it to the perfect size. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it can hold up to 20 kilograms. It's built to last and resist rust. The kit features a durable stainless steel wire rope and nickel-plated hooks for long-lasting performance and a sleek look. What we like? This heavy-duty wire is perfect for hanging a variety of items, from mirrors to lamps. Its adjustable length makes it incredibly versatile, accommodating various needs. If you need a strong and adaptable hanging solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These worked better than expected. I love how adjustable they are. Easy to use. And super strong. I've never seen anything like this wire hanger for hanging mirrors and pictures. It's wonderful. It's adjustable. It's sturdy. So easy to use. Bought for new mirrors in new house. Big Southwest motif mirrors, metal frames, and thought like the idea of locking wire connectors. They are simple and very effective for hanging mirrors. Long 2-meter length makes it easy to fit large wall items. Number 2. MeMoreCool Farmhouse Mirror. It's the perfect addition to any farmhouse-style bathroom. The natural wood and small black metal details create a delicate and beautiful look that will transform your space. This mirror is designed for easy installation. It comes with 4 D-shaped hangers already attached to the back, making it simple to hang vertically or horizontally. Made with premium wood and a clear, durable glass, it's built to last. The sturdy construction ensures it will remain beautiful for years to come. Because of the unique torching process, each mirror's wood grain is slightly different, making it truly one of a kind. It's available in 3 sizes to suit any space. Use it in your bathroom, bedroom, living room, or anywhere you need a touch of rustic charm. We use the safest packaging to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. You can enjoy your new mirror without worry. What we like. This mirror boasts a beautiful farmhouse aesthetic that adds rustic charm to any room. It's also incredibly easy to install, requiring minimal effort. If you're looking to enhance your home with a stylish and functional mirror, this is a great option. What people say. Great quality, shipped very securely, fits perfectly in my small bathroom. Very attractive. Hang, vertically or horizontally. This mirror replaced one I had for about 20 years. It's well made, nice weight and matches my decor. I'm sure it will last 20 years also. It came packaged well, undamaged. Easy to hang. Perfect for what we wanted in my husband's bath, a rustic feel and Mexican tile. Not too heavy and color of wood is perfect. I have 24 by 36 and it is nice in a small bath. Number 1. Paintable Wall Trim. This innovative trim offers a simple solution to elevate your home decor. Its self-adhesive design makes installation a breeze, no tools required. It features a non-toxic adhesive that sticks securely to various surfaces. Say goodbye to messy caulking and hello to quick, easy DIY. Made from high-quality PVC, it's resistant to fading, deformation, moisture, and more. It's also easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and more. Use it to add a touch of elegance to your cabinets, mirrors, or baseboards. Easily cut it to size with ordinary scissors or a utility knife. It's perfect for creating custom designs to match your unique style. With its ease of use and stunning results, this trim is the perfect choice for any home improvement project. Upgrade your space today. What we like. This paintable trim is self-adhesive for effortless installation, requiring no special tools or skills. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting beauty and functionality. If you want a simple yet elegant way to upgrade your home's trim, this is a perfect choice. What people say. This trim looks absolutely amazing and real. It was fairly easy to cut with a razor blade cutter, sticks to the wall great, and very good thick quality. It sticks very well and we have 3 girls here who take long, hot showers. This has shown no detachment from the mirror at all. It's super easy to use and I was able to cut through it with normal scissors so no special tools are required and 1 roll was more than enough to do the whole mirror. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.